FYI, I'm literally making this up as I go along, so I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm just kind of going with the flow. But I am starting off with the moisturizer for my lips, and then I'm priming my face and my eyelids. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Swear By It eyeshadow palette in the shade, I can't speak, the blue shades. I love to give it dimension, so I'm adding light blue and dark blue and the medium blue, and I'm blending it all in to create a dramatic cut crease. So for the cut crease, I am using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Natural, and I mean, I'm kind of a beginner at it, so it's not perfect, but it's good enough. I'm sure with practice, it'll get better. And of course, I'm making more of a mess, so wipes are your best friend. When you're satisfied with your concealer, just set it with some regular powder. I just used my foundation powder, which is why it's kind of like a darker tan shade. And then I am going in with the greens from the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. I wanted to define the cut crease a little bit more, so I'm going in with the indigo shade and also the darker blue shades. I kind of changed my mind as I was cleaning off my face, and I didn't really want the eyeshadow to protrude that far out, so I kind of like wiped it off, and then concealer really does stick to your face. Anyways, I am kind of defining that cut crease line with the NYX Glitter Goals liner in the shade Queen, and you will see the struggles of having hooded eyelids, because I completely forgot, because I wanted to see what I was doing, and I looked up and it was not dry, so it smeared everywhere. If you don't forget, just, wait till it dries before you look up or around or anywhere, but I guess you can always touch it up. Anyways, I am blending out the blue with the gold shimmer shade, and I am going in with some black eyeliner and, messing that up too. You can always fix the lines with concealer as well, and when you apply your foundation, which is why you should do your eyeshadow first. Anyways, I am filling in my waterline with a green pencil liner and fluffing out my eyelashes with some super thick mascara. I think this was Revlon, but I didn't feel like adding eyelashes because that'll make my eyes tear, and I don't want to go through all that misery of having everything wash away. So then you do your usual foundation, concealer routine. I use the Fit Me foundation, and I kind of cheat and use the darker shade for the contour. And then I completely forgot to mention for the concealer, it's also the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Natural Tan. Then I am going in with my e.l.f., I don't know what it's called, Beauty Shield something and another, to bake my face just a little bit, and I'm filling in my eyebrows. I wasn't going too crazy with it, so it's kind of like blah, but do what you do. Give it a little time, dust it off, and then I wanted to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm using the NYX Oil Play in the shade Pop Quiz, and I'm just kind of drawing out my bottom lashes because I wanted them to fluff out a little bit more, and I got a little carried away. And I'm just kind of blushing my cheeks to give it a little bit of color and highlighting my nose and my cheekbones and the cupid's bow of my lips. As far as the paint goes, I use my, as usual, Mayron Paradise body paint in the shade Sky Blue, and I'm just literally just randomly blotting it all over my skin using the shade, I think it's just regular green. I have to check. I don't have it with me right now. Whatever, the green shade. And the more I was putting it on my skin, the more it kind of looked like the earth. So I was kind of going with that color scheme. Just be careful not to make a mess like I did. I went a little too high up on my neck, so I went to wipe it off, and then I kind of liked the way that looked. It kind of looks like rivers running throughout my body. So, you know, just make it up as you go along. As far as the cherry blossom tree, I did not have brown, so I used black, and I am painting the branches and the stems, and I will later go in with the leaves with the pink shade. I definitely did want the tree to look like it was painted on, so I was kind of going for the more watercolor, raining, drooping, saddened, spring kind of thing, because this weather has been playing with my emotions. It's been freezing and not hot at all, and it's finally becoming warm outside, but it's taking way too long. So I was crying out for spring to actually come and winter to be over. So this is kind of where I got the idea from. Just kind of felt like expressing it through body paint. I decided to give it a little tiny bit of highlight, so I went in with the white shade and Paradise body paint, and kind of, kind of wanted to highlight and add more petals and more, I don't know how to describe it. I kind of wanted to spare you the tedious footage of picking and choosing and erasing and, you know, going back and forth with the shade of lipstick and what I wanted to do and the design, because again, I was making this up as I went along, so I didn't really show what lipstick I was using, but I don't even know, because it was a part of, like, you know how those Christmas gift sets of makeup, everything comes together. It was like one of the pink sheets, and then I used the foil play to give it a gold shimmer on the inside. So, not a big deal. If you want a quickie DIY, this is really hard to do with one hand and film it, but I tried. You just want to take your fake plant leaves, take the little plastic pieces off, use some hot glue on the back and little tiny rubber bands, and double glue it on so it stays, and you can attach it to your hair that way. And I just got these flowers from the dollar store, and so it's kind of just, yeah, whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And head over to my Instagram page at Kandy, and that's typically where I'll be if I am not here. So, love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.